Konnichiwa minasan, Aishwarya Des. Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel. So today, firstly, I am teaching here Japanese and learning Japanese. So I will give you a more insight about Japanese and Japanese language. So today we are discussing about Japanese scripting. You know there are three scripting in Japanese. Actually, it's three. So first is Hiragana. Hiragana is a very basic thing in Japanese. Whenever you want to write and read in Japanese, you must have to learn first Hiragana. And then is second is Katakana. Hiragana and Katakana pronunciation are same. There are 46 letters. Yes. So for any foreigner word you have to write. So for that you have to learn first Katakana in Japanese. Okay, and third one is a kanji, and kanji is a picture form and it's originated from Chinese. So it's a basically is a picture form. You have to written in something symbolic like, so it's called a kanji. So we will learn all three things in my upcoming video. I will teach you step by step how to write hiragana from scratch. Okay, so do not worry and stay tuned to my channel, and also like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So I will give you more insight to other people also, and I will share my knowledge to you all. Okay, so for today it's ijo des. So minasan arigato gozaimashita. Mata ne. We will see you in the next video. Bye bye.